forward, jersey number 14, EJ Agbong. At forward, jersey number 7, Ted Saga. At center, jersey number 34, Cesar. At guard, jersey number 1, Bangkali. At guard from Cebu, jersey number 9, Jun Manzo. In Concepcion. At forward, jersey number 6, Mr. Energizer, Neil Tolentino. At forward, jersey number 14, Jorey Napoles. At center, jersey number 22, Enwanko. At forward, jersey number 73 from Bulan Sorsogon, Christopher Hovilla. At forward, jersey number 1.
Second semifinal match, whoever wins will face off El Condor Game 4.
So ito na ang ating first buzzer dito. It's WB and Sophia against the Tuburan 360.
Let's talk about the first five now, Nino, for Batuan. You have there Lopez, Owanko, you have Napoles. Owanko. Inwanko. Inwanko pala yan.
Tsaka Napoles, si Bulanadi, no? At si Concepcion.
Yes, and for Tuburan 360, you have the pride of the Sipit Agusan del Norte, Jun Manzo, Eman Calo, EJ Agbo, who's playing 4. Medyo maliit siya doon as John Cork Cabaho went in down, shoot!
Maabot na konsehal sa Mandawi. John Cork Cabaho.
Well, you know naman pag Cabaho talaga has been a leader and, you know, political family talaga sila.
Ito na nga, bawian ng puntos kagad, no, in the opening quarter natin. As John Cork Cabaho, same spot. Different result this time. Bulanadi picks it up. Bulanadi. The attack, Concepcion. Lopez gets the rules. Itong Lopez, di ba pala ito nakapaglaro ng MPBL, and I guess he is from US. Di ko makita yung
Hindi mo mahanap
profile eh.
Yes, na-research tayo, no?
Jun Manso Mintes, box up ni Napoles, di matulak si Schuster Olago. Ascalo rattles out. Napoles will grab the rebound. 4-3 for WB Sophia. Lopez goes inside to Bright Inwanko. Bright inside, too strong. Rebound Napoles. And that's a foul on EJ Agbong. Sabi mo nga, he's so small for the possession.
Yes, diskarte yan ng mga coach ng Tuburan eh. You have Coach BJ Murillo and Coach Gerald Ilaya from Benedicto College na nalay din eh. They have on the bench Sase, I believe umuwi to ng Cebu. Sandali. And then bumalik ngayon.
Kasi wala silang laro kahapon.
May eskwela pa to sa UC eh.
Si Tosh? Yun.
So may kailangan i-pass. Kasi pumupunta yung iba kasi, they're here, maglaro, at estudyante. Kasi again, nag-import siya ng UC eh. Sayang yung libreng edukasyon.
Yes,
sir.
Tsaka the reason why there's a lot of foreign students in Cebu also studying there because of the cheap education.
Yes,
And that quality.
very quality. A 1-3-1 for Batuan Nino. This is the first time I've seen this team have this kind of defense. Medyo natagalan si Manjo. Nakita itong Eman Calo on that corner.
Lopez will attack. The driving in one quick too strong. Asking for some foul there. Manso. And up the energy this evening. Jun Manso, top of the key. Miss shot from Mr. UP Fighting Marines.
You know, 1-3-1. Yung binibigay talaga is yung corners, yung outside shot. So far, the defense has been good now for Batuan. Kasi nga, hindi na mapasok yung tira sa labas ng Tuburan.
As Napoles knocks down the 2-point shot. 4-point lead now for the white shirts of WB and Sophia. John Cork to Agbong. Jun Manso. Shot clock winding down. Eman Calo to the other side. Manso will attack. Manso. Calo top of the key. Calo for three.
After the second try there, Eman Calo, when in doubt, shoot.
It is 7-6 now.
Tuburan 360 still having this mano-a-mano defense. They want to challenge the shooter here, especially itong si Napoles, shooting from the outside.
Oh, that's a big rebound right there by Nwanko. And Concepcion inside the paint for WB. Toshesa na coach at the score table.
Kaya sigurado to mamaya ninyo itong dalawang foreign ng Tuburan 360 maglalaro to. Oh, good seal there for EJ Antong, the bulldozer from Cagayan de Oro City.
6 minutes. Twelve seconds to shoot. Lopez short, but he gets his own miss. Oh, laking bagay, no?
Iba talaga yung kinuhan ko na malaki doon. Sealing off itong Schuster Olago, the former University of San Carlos foreign student.
Tsaka bigger din yung Lopez, coach, no?
Oo, malaki yan. Around 6'3", 6'2" guard yan.
Manso drops it inside. June back to the corner. Calo rattles out para kay Eman. Niluwa na naman. 11-8. Lopez. Bulanadi. I'll use the screen. Bulanadi discarded. Bulanadi too strong for Elaine.
But still, it's a good shot, Nino. That's his role. Getting on the offensive side, he needs to be really a scorer. Good defense there, shown for Elaine Bulanadi.
Walang kumuha ng rebound doon, pero andito pa rin si Tuburan 360.
Yes, alam mo Nino, you need always to know your role. And for here is for Batuan, alam mo yung role ni Elaine eh. Kailangan talaga siyang mag-score if they want to win this ball game. And again, Nino, forget about the standings on our elimination. Wala na yon. It's a win or go home for both teams.
Importante din dito sa WB and Sophia, coach, no? Na naging team na sila, for a long time. And ito yung core talaga nila.
Exactly.
Nung nag-off season yung MPBL, ito talaga yung mga top players na ito. And dito naman Tuburan 360, some of the players from CM Farm, pero alam naman natin iba din yung ball game ng Luzon compared to Mindanao.
Yes, exactly. And baka nakalimutan mo, most of the players, anong team besides CM Farm?
Oo, WB. Tsaka ano pa ba yung iba? Gusto mong sabihin?
Yung mga player ng Tuburan, di ba alam mo naman saan sila
Taga
naglaro?
Cebu.
Oh, mga Cebu, so sa CTR naglaro yan.
Oo.
Alam mo naman sino yung coach, yung medyo cute, no?
Pero ito yung sa ano ngayon, sa you mean the two rising or yung mga magaganda yung labanan sa basketball in Luzon and Visayas. In Mindanao it's CM Farm, and ito namang sa Luzon it's WB and Sophia.
Yes, exactly. And now, Nino, the former Rookie of the Year of NCAA 2024, nandito na ngayon, naglalaro for WCPS. Eman Calo, isa, dalawa, tatlo, making his second three-pointer of the first quarter.
Lopez, you can guard this guy as in Nwanko. Too strong with the drive.
Again, talking about inside points, Nino, so far, Batuan, clearly, they have the height advantage against Tuburan 360. They have now 10 points compared to Tuburan with 2
Ano
points.
ba hit ni John Court?
It's around 6'1" on a good day. 6'1", and then, well, hindi nagsi-6'2" yan.
So itong si Lopez nga is a 6'3" guard. 6'3" guard.
Yeah,
Kasi matangkad pa siya kay John Court,
yes, may sapatos pa kasi.
Oo. And Jun Manso yung nakatapat sa kanya. Kinakain lang niya ng buhay.
And we all know Lopez. He has that skill, Nino, that he can really dribble and even shoot from the outside. And it's really a big guard. And hopefully, MPBL team will notice this guy.
Yep.
Magaling eh. Tosh. Good offensive rebound there. Manzo still trying his luck here from the outside. Wala pa rin. That's 0 out of 3 so far for the pride of Nasipi Tagusan del Norte.
Ito, Chris Ubilla nag-adjust sa kanyang posisyon dito, no? Or staying with his comfort zone. As ito, sumali pa yung outside shooting. Ni Sherwin Concepcion.
Yes, talking about outside shooting, Concepcion knocking his first three-pointer of the game all the way from UST Growling Tiger.
And if you're a fan of Sherwin Concepcion, alam mo, umpisa pa lang yun para sa kanya.
Yes, that is his role talaga. He's really a 3-and-D guy here.
Nice swing by Eman Calo to John Court Cabahog. But that's a foul on Jackson Corpus. As they field inside itong si Ted Saga. And we have a timeout for Tuburan ball game. It is 17-11. Eman Calo, long 3-point shot.
Eman Calo went in help shoot there, making his third three-pointer of the game here in the first quarter. 3 out of 5 from that guy.
But for Tuburan 360, di kailangan na si Calo lang yung pupuntos dito. As Chris Sevilla mula Sorsogon hanggang Masbate.
Puntos for puntos now for Chris Sevilla. This is the Batman and Robin for this coming NCAA. Ito namang manggubat yung point guard niya for JRU Heavy Bombers.
As Sesay using the right body, pushing them away to get the putback for Tuburan 360.
Oh, magaling si Sisay, no? Katawan lang yung ginamit.
Nice stop right there by Bangkale. Nagkatapat to, Mapua. And hard fall. Sesay missing that one. Here comes the push for the white shirts. Nice find. Robilia, easy deuce. To 22-16. 1-48. Ted Saga. Jeco Bangkale, the former Mapua guard. John Court Cabahog is using his body. Fade away. Here comes Philip Manalang. Robilia. Manalang, pass too high. It is John Court Cabahog. Eman Calo all day. Miss shot. In the top for the white shirts. In one will bring this one down. Corpus. Jackson Corpus for three.
Yun yung veterano. Alam naman natin ninyo, Jackson Corpus, not known for his outside shot, pero open eh. And alam mo sa basketball kasi, hindi lang yan kung sino yung shooter. Importante ninyo, kung may kumpiyansa ka bang itira yung open shot.
Oo, sa totoo ka dyan, Coach Paul, no? And Corpus with the presence of mind, just like this, Eman Calo, 4 straight points, or 4 3-pointers now for him.
Exactly. Eman Calo, very hot on this opening quarter. Another when in doubt shoot moment. That's 4 out of 5 for the 3-point line.
Sherwin Concepcion, babawi din. Pero nagmintis din. Bangkale, former Cebu Gates din. As Calo gets the foul against Chris Ubilla. Sherwin Concepcion, but substitution to. (25-19). First one for Eman Calo. You know, isa shooting dito ngayong gabing ito, Coach, no? 4 na 3 na for Eman Calo.
He knows his role for this team. Kailangan talagang magtrabaho, especially on the offensive side.
20 seconds left. Manalang. Robilia. Corpus. Hand off para kay Philip Manalang. 10 seconds. Robilia. Finds the corner guy. Jackson Corpus. That's a missed shot. Eman Calo lets it fly. And that's it. For the first 10 minutes. Unang buzzer natin. Itong WBN Sophia with a 5-point lead sa ating unang arangkada. The WB Sophia after this comeback. Ito Tuburan 360. .
5 horns action now for WSOP. And Napoles, siya ba yung hinahanap nila that time? Para, I believe, not.
Parang nagkapalitan sila ng 5, no?
Oo.
Instead, Saga, the big that can make that range.
Yeah, he can really make that shot that time. Kailangan talaga lang yung kumpiyansa mo.
Tancinco, the top by Inwanko, picked up by Tancinco. Napoles fires, misses. Rebound by Inwanko again. Missed it. Pass, Sesay, stolen away by Tancinco. Chris Robilia, aatake, Robilia, binitbit sa ere. And that's a foul.
Oh, grabe Obilia. Dalawang tao, inararo, nag-drawing pa ng kalabaw sa ere, a fishing expedition. Indeed, he caught a big fish. Anong isda to?
Tuna. Ang laki niyan eh.
Oh, dalawa yun eh. Ted Saga and Steven Orsal against Chris Sobilia, the NCAA Rookie of the Year of 2024.
Chris Subilia nga. The pride of Sorsogon. First one, that's a good for Chris Subilia. Tie game, 30 all. Pumasok na si Geoffrey Santos, ha. Second one for Robilia. He gets his own miss. At nandun yung challenge.
Oh, pero
Sesay.
yep. But credit to this guy. Kahit sinong coach he'll be very happy how he really plays hard kahit saan siya maglaro.
Corner to Calo. Fires for 3. Miss shot. Rebound Philip Manalang. Santos. Robilia. 1-on-1. Miss. The rebound for Santos. Lalabas si Geoffrey. Atake. Floater. Too strong para kay Geoffrey. A piece for both squad. So far, one of the best ball game dito.
Yeah, it was a good shot there for Santos. Open naman.
Eman Calo. There's a
Yeah.
switch.
Good.
Step back lang kay Eman. 40!
No one can stop this guy this first half as Eman Calo making his 5th three-pointer of the game so far. Again, maganda yung ginawa ni Inwanko there. Clearly blitzing itong Calo as Philip Manalang answer with the trifecta.
Don't forget that 1 million peso shot coming from Philip Manalang in that open MPBL Invitational.
Oo.
Sesay, strong drive for Tosh. And substitution here. Concepcion and Sapasap checks back for WB Sofia. 4 minutes and 44. Tie game. Santos. The horns play here. Santos in
With the alley there for Santos and Inwanko. Ganda nun. Good recognition there for Santos, rewarding his big man on that rim run. Calo. Oh. If you can get that with the alley, 2 puntos lang yun eh. For Eman Calo, 3 naman. Pang-anim na ba yun?
Oo, pang-anim na for Calo. Santos, Geoffrey. Short one para sa kanya.
Grabe. This semifinal match is good as advertised, Nino. This is a match for Eman Calo. As you can take a look at this replay, Santos snaking on this move. Sabit talaga.
Oo.
Itong June Manzo.
First one is good para kay Geoffrey Santos. Isa pa daw. Sabi ng mga fans niya.
Yep, very close game we have here. Ganda ng labanan. Kanina medyo umarangkada lang talaga itong El Condor Farm
Yeah.
sa third quarter. But dito, dikdik.
Alam mo na first hanggang fourth talaga eh, no?
Oo. Makikita mo. Maganda talaga yung match. Although itong WB and Sofia Batuan of Mayor, if I'm not mistaken, Marco Cam.
Oo.
Oo, medyo malaki lang konti.
Na kabatch na Ryan Buenafe at na Gino sa San Sebastian.
Okay.
Baste, oo.
As EJ Agbong dinukot yon against two defenders. Si Napoles pa na mas medyo malaki sa kanya.
Taller but you know, itong si EJ Agbong wider compared to Napoles nga.
Alam mo ninyo, ito. Ito, good defense. Yeah, good defense there by John Corcabao. Kung alam mo lang ano yung lineup nila, yung batch nila sa Adamson nung high school.
Ni na EJ.
Oo. Encho Serrano.
Yep. Ito si Tor Shesay.
Bastos yun!
Kita mo naman yung Euro step eh. Number 34, Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Charles Barkley.
Hindi naman nag-Euro yun eh. Si Giannis.
Hindi kasi that time wala pa.
Wala pa. Eman Calo. Atake, hahanap ng butas dito. Kasi foul o pasapas.
Sa pasap.
Sa pasa pala.
Grabe yung ginawa nito, Sese. Baka may replay tayo.
Wala pa. Oo, mamaya.
Ito ba yun? Hindi.
Hindi. Oo. Sesay again! This time, chased by Nwanko. Napoles. Jory, recovered by Santos. Fires for 3. Santos rattles out. Napoles again. Napoles in front of Sesay.
Napoles cannot be denied on the second try against two defenders.
You know, I love the matchup nito mga Panalay boys and the MPBL boys, you know?
Give credit to Napoles not giving up on that one.
Jun Manso living it para kay Agbong. Sa pass-up, the bounce pass. Akala ni Napoles, diretso na eh, no?
Exactly. Miscommunication there. Akala kasi ni sa pass-up, diretso siya.
May open ka na conception eh, sayang eh, no? 40-38. Uupo na si Manso. Papasok na si Bendina.
For the very first time, Shane the Game Menina pumasok na for Tuburan 360.
2-point lead. Calo. Pang-pito ba? Short for Eman. Rebound picked up by Sesay. Good save by Mr. Energizer. Neil Tolentino. Aatake si Neil. Iniwan sa pass-up. Baseline.
What a pass there by Santos. Very unselfish this time. Again, Nino, what's happening so far? It's a seesaw battle here. You know, it's a game of runs, game of momentum. Lahat ng mga player dito magagaling to eh. Naging varsity ito sa mga eskwelahan kahit saan eh. Sesay again. What a move there. Strong move against Nwanko.
Yan yung deadly kay Sesay, no? Pag pinatanggap mo ng bola sa taas, diretso talaga.
Kahit saan. Pwede.
Nwanko with a big rebound. But the pass goes to the wrong guy. Kabahog. Calo, 3-on-2. Kabahog will use his body. Kabahog gets the end one for 360.
John Cork Kabahog. Chance of an end one play. Kinain ng buhay itong sa pass-up and we all know John Cork Kabahog pag eat all you can, number 1 sa linya.
Di ka lugi.
Di ka lugi.
Pwede sa Vikings.
Kahit saan.
Kahit saan.
Sa Philly Philly Hotel na.
Pwede.
Lagay mo yan. Or sa Marble and Grange. Shout out to my hotel. Yung eat all you can steak nila.
Sarap ba? Hindi mo pa kami dinala dun eh.
Hindi, sayang kasi magbabayad ka. Kakainin mo isang steak lang.
Sino ako, Coach Kim?
Half rice lang. Busog na to. Isang itlog.
Speaking of Coach Kim, happy birthday sa kanyang partner, Ate Cherry.
Sana all. Muntik nang makalimutan.
Hindi, binati na kanina.
Ay.
Congratulations in advance sa kanyang anak na si Sky. Happy graduation day.
Oo.
Congratulations.
This is now the biggest lead for Tuburan at 5 points. Horns play now.
Concepcion, long 3-point shot. Miss. But right in one ko right there. Too strong. Put back ni Santos. Off net. Parang off si Santos ngayon, ha?
Oo, but still, it's a good shot there for that guy.
Agbong drives. Denied by Santos. Tolentino against Calo. Tolentino, too strong. Santos. And that is a foul against Eman Calo.
Calo there, acknowledging maganda yung ginawa ni Santos eh. Kinatawan
Drives.
siya. So that's a good foul there on Santos. You can take a look at this replay. Naunahan siya, so sabi niya foul na.
No, not two shot.
Yeah, sa babae, wala pa no? Wala pa naman sa penalty. And we have a timeout here for Batuan, WB, and Sofia. We'll be right back. Hindi sila naiwanan ng malaki. They have now 14 offensive rebound compared to 6 for. Oh, what a pass there! As a pass-up, getting the pivot lead. Good timeout for Batuan. A counter timeout now for Tuburan 360. Nino, kaya lamang ang Tuburan 360. Very simple. Let's talk about stats now. Tuburan 360, 9 lang naman ang 3 points. So out of their 45,
6 yan. Kay Eman Calo.
yes, 6 yan kay Eman Calo. Out of 45, 27 points nanggaling sa 3-pointer. And for WB and Sofia Batuan, they only have 4 3-pointers. And talk about assists, almost identical at 9 to 10. Turnovers, medyo mas marami itong Batuan. Good thing in Wangko now, after humbling kanina, parang medyo naka-injury siya sa ankle niya, but good thing is good here. Kasi without him on the second half, it will be very, very hard. Medyo mahirap. Manalo.
Good thing for two teams, no? Each department may mga weapons sila. Offensive rebound and then 3-point shooting.
Exactly.
Back to our ball game now. It's 45 to 42. Shane Menina against Tolentino. Menina to the corner. Cabajo fires. Miss. Here is Santos. 2 seconds. Santos fires. The time again.
Santos not giving up on that play, and for Tuburan 360, medyo maaga.
Nadulas lang pala si Cesay.
Oh, again, let's talk about the numbers for the first half. 9 3-pointers for Tuburan, 4 for Batuan. Offensive rebound naman, 14 for Batuan, 6 lang sa Tuburan. Clearly ninyo, kitang-kita natin, malalaki talaga itong mga white shirt.
Oo, but you know, the heart itong players ng Tuburan 360, you already have plus 27 points sa 3-point shot na yan.
Exactly.
Madulas dito itong si Agbong.
Safety first. Again, ninyo, most of the players from Batuan, mga Tagalog. And most of the players from Tuburan 360, mga Bisaya naman.
Oo, mga Tagalog tsaka mga Bisaya pala to, coach, no?
Oo.
Oh. Need change again for Josh Esay. Lopez, babalik na ngayon. Lopez knocks down the 3-point shot. Long 2 pala, long 2.
Long 2 points. Ito yung pinag-usapan natin ninyo, no? Ito si Lopez, sinerch mo talaga kasi magaling eh.
Oo.
No? He can guard, he can shoot, he can defend, may IQ. Siguro, MPBL teams can notice this guy as Sisay on that looper against Nwanku.
49-47. Here comes Geoffrey Santos. Fires from downtown.
Santos now starting to be very aggressive, Nino. Kasi
Efficient.
kanina, he was the third point guard, pinasok eh. Philip Manalang on the bench trying to rest. Sigurado Nino babalik yan.
Manso to the corner. Kabahog mula sa tres. John Court.
Pork chop now, Kabahog answering another three. Both teams are shooting lights from the outside. Mismatch here.
Obilia against Calo. That was a short one for Chris Obilia. That's a foul para sa kanya against Calo.
Number 73 holding foul, Ubilia.
Joffrey Santos now being efficient para sa WB and Sofia, coach. But they're down by 2.
Yes, again, mayong gabi kaninyo matanan. Lahat ng nanonood on live, nandito lang tayo naman sa Kawayan, Masbate. Alam mo ninyo, nag-usap kami sa mga coaches ng Batuan. This is the first time ganito kalaki ang liga sa Masbate.
Oo. Sa Masbate City, wala pa rin siguro.
Oo, yes,
Saka sa
exactly.
Placera. Oh, nice catch right there by Chris Obilia.
Talking about hard work. When talent does not work, hard work does.
Tsaka hard work.
Galing
There's
siya
no day off.
galing siya sa depensa eh. Siya pa yung nauna sa ilalim, mano a mano, poste, Concepcion versus Kabahog.
Calo. Nilapitan na nitong si Santos.
He knows Calo is a deadly shooter, deadly scorer. Nag-teammates lang naman sila 2 weeks ago sa Zamboanga, Sibugay. Again, mayong gabi dira, Governor Ann K. Hoffer, and of course, our very good friend, Vice Governor Richard Oligario. Sa ilalim, mano a mano, poste, Concepcion versus Kabahog. Oligario, o wala iba. Si Engineer, unsa pa.
Engineer Bong Ferrer, and of course, board member.
Sila Boss Pava and Boss Dr. Ralph, no? Duwa tag pickleball dito, kikaunta. As Sisay there against Nwanko. May dribble kasi si Tos Sisay, no?
Sabi ko nga kayo sa'yo, coach, when he gets that ball sa free throw line, gets either direct or Euro step. Pero ang lapad kasi no? Pag pinabuelo mo, sasagasa talaga.
Exactly.
Sesay missing his first one. 52 all.
First deadlock here in our second half. Third deadlock of the game.
Lopez to Hubilia. Lopez. 10 seconds to shoot. Concepcion fires. Concepcion scores.
You know, it was good defense shown there for John Cortabao, but just better offense for the former USC Growling Tiger, Concepcion. Again, another good drive there for Sesay. Di lang talaga pumasok.
Chris Obilia fires for 2. Air ball. Santos. Out of bounds na si Joffrey doon.
Obilia there saying sorry to Lopez. Akala ko atakihin niya kasi.
Nagbiglang nag-pull up.
Exactly.
Pero, he admits the error naman doon no?
Mga bata, hawak mo niya, mga bata. Gawas mo nila, gawas. Kaya maipit mo nila.
Oh. Delikado yan. Agbong. O poste. Against Subilia. Agbong. And that's a foul. That's on Chris Subilia.
There's no timeout. As you can see here,
Third personal foul.
katawan sa katawan. Agbong versus Hubilia.
No, alam mo naman yung AJ Agbong,
Oo. Exactly. He really knows how to play his body and marunong mag-dribble eh. Yun yung importante eh. He used to be a small guard. He can really play from the outside.
Nag-Adamson ba to college?
Yes, high school, Adamson.
College?
Tapos nag-JRU. JRU.
JRU.
Yes, exactly.
Parang sina ano yung kabatch niya sa JRU eh. Sina AJ Miranda, sina De Los Santos, tsaka sino po ba yung ibang mga Adamson, JRU boys nun? Basta yung Adamson nila, solid sila doon, no?
Oo. That was a good, really good
High
batch.
school?
Yes.
With a high shot! Wow! Iba ka! Geoffrey Santos, the former Mapua.
Pwede pa namang mapuwa pa. Hindi
Oo.
pa natin alam eh.
Calo, libre. Mintes. Milagro yun, ha? Open shot for Eman Calo. As Lopez reads the floor here. Fires, misses. Na-rebound pa to eh. Santos. Jory Napoles. Nope. Lopez, one-hander. It's good. 7-point lead now, coach.
Game of runs, game of momentum. Clearly, Nino, nakikita natin, nafe-feel natin, WB Sofia has been really having that run and gun game, and credit that to Geoffrey Santos, who was 2 out of 3 from the 3-point area on this third quarter. At hindi pa tayo tapos sa third quarter. WB Sofia now is on the penalty. They need to be very careful. 5 minutes and 30 pa.
When you're a scorer talaga, coach, no? You need to gain the respect ng yung mga opponents eh. And you know, itong Tuburan 360, nakakalimutan nila itong si Geoffrey Santos. Kumakamada tong batang ito.
Oo.
The first half, he wasn't that efficient. Pero ngayon, tignan mo naman kung gaano kaganda yung scoring na naibibigay niya para sa WB Sofia. Batuan. 60-55. Lopez. Ooh, the pass stolen away but out of bounds.
Oh, good backdoor play there, pero medyo gipit lang sa shaded area.
Last 13 seconds to shoot.
Seconds to shoot here. Jory Napoles fires. Misses. In one coup. Put back. Ni Napoles.
2 points.
7-point lead now.
Clearly, Nino, kitang-kita natin ang laki ng WB Sofia.
Another steal para sa kanila. Tatakbo si Concepcion. Aatake. Mintes. Napoles gets the score.
This is now the biggest lead at 9 points for WB and Sofia Batuan.
Manggubat. They need his service now. Froiland. Goes to Cabajo for 3.
Cabaho now has been the most consistent all throughout the game, including mo si Eman Calo.
Handoff para kay Lopez. One-on-one against the smaller Manggubat. Lopez. Napoles aatake. Nadulas. Balik sa kanya. That is a pushing foul.
Clearly a foul there on Froilan Manggubat. That will be their second team foul. And if I'm Tumuran Nino, kailangan atakihin. Again, Batuan is now on the penalty. So, it's a smart thing to do to attack the shaded area. Pero yun lang, easier said than done.
Done.
Malalaki.
Concepcion! Love yung ganda.
Right shot down. Shoot there. Concepcion making his second three-pointer on this quarter alone.
And extends the lead for WB and Sofia into 9. Cabaho. One-on-one. There's a switch. Cabaho, double team. Nakakapute doon si Napoles.
Yes, just a bad foul there for Napoles. Penalty na etong Batuan. But clearly the game of runs, the game of momentum, makikita mo talaga ninyo, no? That the momentum is with Batuan wearing the white jerseys.
First one is good for Mr. John Corcabaho. John Corcabaho, the former UV Green Lancer, was part of the 2019 UV na
naglaro ng finals against Southwestern. 2 out of 2 for John Kirk Cabajo. He was so young that time. Sinagap Cometa, no?
Yes, I think sila yon.
Lopez wants to attack. Lopez steps back, misses. Napoles with a putback. Good challenge right there. Cabajo fires, rattles out. Jory Napoles with another big rebound para sa WB. Napoles aatake, kick out. Concepcion para sa 3.
Napoles now, that is his third three-pointer on this quarter alone. And we all know, Nino, we cover this guy sa daming mga liga. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, he has that shot.
Another steal, coach, with WB and Sofia. But counter steal kagad para dito. Tumuran 360, Manggubat. Misses, rebound. Andito kay Inuanco.
Alam mo, yung breaks of the game, nandun pa for Batuan. Walang ginawa si Inuan ko dun eh. Dumating lang yung bola. Exactly.
Hulog ng langit, kumbaga.
Yes, exactly.
Tumuran 360. May warning itong WB and Sofia for improper bench decorum. Nababalasan ng tatlong tao itong WB and Sofia ngayon, coach.
Yes, you know, Batuan, they're just having fun here. Eh, syempre, pag labang kayo, everything is fun.
Yeah.
Medyo na-carried away lang. Warning lang muna.
That's a foul on Flores. WB and Sofia will not play. Will play without import, rather.
Yes, they're now on the penalty. It's a good rest now for Inuanco. Medyo lamang din kasi.
Second free throw for Schuster Olago. That's another miss for Schuster. Second one para kay Olago. Olago with the second free throw. 0 out of 2 para sa kanya. WB and Sofia right now with a push. Bulanadi goes to the corner. 3-point shot. Mintes. Rebound by Tancinco. The pass to Bulanadi. And that's a foul on Jacob Bangkali.
Jacob Bangkali, the former Mapua Cardinal, the pride of Lapu-Lapu City.
He played CIT before.
Yes, sa CIT. I think nagkalaban kami.
Oo, nagkalaban kayo.
Magaling eh, lumaki din eh.
Oo, lumapad.
But kitang-kita natin the growth of this guy playing for Pilipinas Super League 21 under. Bulanadi. Oh, good snake that time. As Bulanadi getting on that perimeter shot all day long, he got his game.
Pinulot pa yung barya nitong si Elaine Bulanadi. Fans chanting defense here. Traveling violation for Schuster.
That is
Pinulot pa yung barya.
their 11th turnover now for Batuan. 7 lang yan sa first half.
Here comes Stickboy Del Rosario. Tahimik din ngayon. Bulanadi feeling it. He check para kay Elaine Bulanadi.
Yes, exactly. Oh, now, good drive there for Sisay. Alam niya penalty na. So, pasukin at pasukan natin sa shaded area. Good substitution there. Good rest for Sese. Earlier, 2 missed free throws for Olago. Third straight now, missed free throws for Tumuran 360. Everything is not right now for Tumuran 360. 4 missed free throws straight.
Stickboy against Bangkali. Bulanadi fires. Bulanadi scores.
Bulanadi now has been the spark off the bench. Wala pa tong 3 minutes naglaro, automatic may 4 points agad. This is now the highest lead at 14.
Saga, he has this range. Manggubat, libre. Manggubat scores for the former USC Warriors.
Roylan Manggubat now, the Sisafi 3-point king, registering his name that I can shoot this anywhere on the court. They need a stop here. Clearly, that's an offensive foul there on Flores. Alam mo, hindi naman sa big man yan, Nino eh. Dapat kasi pag small ka, you need to wait on that screen. Let your big man establish that screen first. Bangkalin out. Agbong bumalik na.
Agbong against Corpus. Agbong, that was a foul on Jackson Corpus.
Another foul there. Good decision there for Agbong. Bangkalin out. Agbong bumalik na. Don't settle for shots the outside. Oh, clearly that's a foul there. Bakit nagreklamo itong si Jackson Corpus? Another missed free throw now for Tuburan 360.
At the line now, EJ Agbong. Second one for EJ. That one is good.
At least nakapasok ninyo after 5th try or make it 6th try.
Bulanadi, one-on-one against Agbong. 5 seconds. Bulanadi, pick boy Del Rosario, too strong. Here comes Eman Calo. Calo for 3, missed shot to end the third quarter. It is a 10-point lead. Last 10 minutes action na po tayo. Nino Abad together with Coach Paul Hoben.
That's a good shot there for Manggubat. Same spot yun kanina that he made that 3-pointer.
Napoles handoff para kay Joffrey. Napoles floater off the glass, too strong. Rebound by Sesay. Down by 10 points. Bangkale fires. Bangkale scores for 3.
1, 2, 3. Bangkale now starting to be very aggressive. Nino, 2 tres itong Bangkale kaninang first half. Good start now for Tuburan 360. They need a stop. Second stop here already.
Bangkale at the corner, nilapitan na nitong si Joffrey Santos. Pull up, that's good for Eman Calo.
That's a 5-0 run to start here for Tuburan 360, and this is a good timeout for Batuan, WB, and Sofia.
Back third ball game, ceasefire call by WB and Sofia. Right after that 5-0 run na ginawa nitong koponan ng Tuburan 360.
Exactly. Double foul call there on Concepcion and Manggubat. Maganda yung labanan nun. Pisikala na.
Back third ball game. Dalawang shooters.
Oh, as you can take a look at this replay ninyo, 2 player eh. As EJ Agbong.
Yung isa galing UST, yung isa galing USC.
Oo, syempre.
Parang shooter pa.
Both now, medyo mahaba lang talaga itong Concepcion.
Oo. Santos for 3!
Santos now talking about kung Mobile Legend to ninyo, assassin eh. Alam mo, nagpahinga lang, bumalik, assassin, Froilan Manggubat, when in doubt, shoot!
The pride of Liluan, Froilan Manggubat,
This
Yung
is the old,
basketball is
yes.
under Jeanson.
Oh, talking about Jeans basketball. Lawrence Manggubat, who's now playing for GRU. Champion rin to ninyo from Mapuat 2024. Clearly, for me, that's a good non-call there. As Geoffrey Santos, fishing expedition, they need to get back on defense now.
Calo will attack. Sesay. Back to Jeko. Bangkale with 12 seconds to shoot. Bangkale too strong. Rebound for the white shirts. Lopez. The big guard goes to Concepcion. Long 3-point shot. Short. And a rebound for EJ Agbong.
Yeah, no need to rush here for Tuburan 360. Huwag kayong maghanap ng 3 points. Ang layo pa eh. Lumapit na kayo eh. Okay, slowly but surely, find the best open guy.
Last 10 seconds.
Manggubat will use the screen of Sesay. Froy. Miss from the center.
Now they opt to have to shoot from the outside. Kasasabi ko lang eh. Oh, good read there for Napoles.
Concepcion fires. Rattles out para kay Sherwin. 77-72. Agbong on his squad down by 5. Manggubat! Fallen! That's his name!
Mistress Manggubat is on fire this second quarter alone. That's 3 3-pointers on this half for Froilan Manggubat.
Dalawa na lang ito.
This is Pinoy basketball at its finest, Nino. Punto for punto, nagbabawian.
Kung Eman Calo may 5 3-point shot, etong si Santos may 5 na. 15 already for Geoffrey. Lopez. Santos mula sa labas. Mintes. But offensive rebound na naman para sa WBN Sofia. Dakato Inuanco. And he scores!
Melander, good read for Inwanko. And the lead goes back to 7. A 5-0 run now for Batuan. A mini run.
82-75. Manggubat. Babawi. Manggubat. Mintes.
Froilan, yes, he checked yun, but sayang hindi niya nakita itong Calo. Was very well rested. Very open din eh. Santos. And 1.
Wala. Short lang for Geoffrey.
Oo.
Another steal para kay Geoffrey. That's a foul on Jeko Bangkale.
Taking the ball. Jersey number
Good
1.
foul there on Bangkale. Just trying to stop that momentum. As
Wala,
Santos
short
now has been all over the floor. Kaya nga kinausap siya tong sa Sambo Asibugay ng De La Salle team coaches.
Another substitution.
Jun Manso babalik na din yan para sa Tuburan 360. Geoffrey Santos. It's been all over nga, sabi mo coach, no?
Hindi na nga binalik itong Philip Manalang, who's been a very good leader on the first half. And a traveling claw there on Napoles. Good defense for EJ Agbong. Si EJ pinakita anong nangyari.
Calo wants to attack. Calo denied by Nwanko. Picked up by Concepcion. Here comes Geoffrey Santos, the hot man so far for WB and Sofia. Concepcion fires. Concepcion scores!
Is on fire. This guy.
Rain or shine, Elasto Painters. Miss shot. 12 seconds to shoot. Kabahog misses.
Kabahog has been cold. Medyo matagal siya umupo doon sa bench.
Concepcion goes to Napoles. Napoles against Ulago. Napoles fires. Misses. The tap goes to June Manso. Forward pass, Eman Calo. Too strong para kay Eman. Rebound kay Chris Subilia.
Good non-call there by our referee, Santos.
At ang rebound na dito kay Jory Napoles. Nabitawan ni Chris Subilia. In one ko. 5 seconds to shoot.
4 seconds to shoot.
Santos goes to the other side. Napoles. That's it, traveling.
Panira na yun eh. Again, hindi kasi niya alam eh, the shot clock is already around 3 seconds when he got that ball. Under 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Who will answer the call here for Tuburan? Sese, Fishing Expedition, wala.
Mobilia, Santos. Uubusin muna yung oras dito nitong si Joffrey Santos. Napoles back to Santos.
Seconds to shoot.
Santos over the head pass in one ko. Not a known perimeter shooter, coach. But if you have Lady Luck in your team, everything falls down.
Yeah, this is the first time I've seen Onwanko making that shot from the outside. Alam mo, pag malamang ka kasi, yung lamang nyo, may kumpiyansa ka kasi.
87 to 75. Santos pull up. That's good to Joffrey Santos.
Santos, maganda yung tulog, maganda yung kain. Has been the best player on the court, including Concepcion for Batuan.
June Manso. Here comes Calo, fires. Calo scores 7 3-point shot. Para kay Iman Calo, the pride of Compostela, Cebu.
They need to stop now, Nino, for Tuburan 360. Tingnan natin, is this the start of a run for Tuburan?
Chris Subilia fires for 3. Subilia wants to join, but Jordy Napoles 23 offensive rebounds in one goal. What a photo!
And once again, working hard in the shaded area as Eman Calo, another 3 here, napasigaw siya, sayang, we need to stop now. Yun yung sinasabi niya, sayang yung offensive rebound eh.
Mobilia 91 to 81. Santos was denied by Manso. RSA offensive foul.
Offensive foul. Jersey number 73, Mobilia. Substitution.
Binangga eh. Orsal now pumasok for
Warning for foul out, Mobilia.
Sesay.
Sese. If Tuburan 360 can make a basket, this could be interesting.
Calo again. Missed shot for Eman. Concepcion with a big rebound. Kaya hanapin talaga si Joffrey Santos.
If Batuan can make a score here, I think this is the nail to the coffin for WB and Sofia Batuan.
Lopez tries to attack. Lopez drops it in one coup. This is it.
I think that's it now for Batuan. It's safe to say that they will face off El Condor Farm Gym. Ganda ng labanan yan.
Manso fires. And he scores for 3. That's the first 5 seconds.
Yes, the first 3-pointer on Manzo. A bit late here, as clearly Batuan is just melting down the clock.
And the celebration for the bench of Sofia. WB and Sofia Batuan right now. Congratulations to WB and Sofia.